You know you can order this stuff for free and they'll deliver it to your house. All the shipping needs. For free. I think it's USPS.com. Look on there and look at shipping, and you order it, it's for free. I won't charge a thing. Alright, time to go to the post office. Boy, it is really looking dark out here today. Tornado warnings and watches and thunderstorm warnings all around us. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Subscribe to keep you up to date and in the loop with all my video uploads. Please turn on the bell. The bell's post notification icon. You will alert when I post a video. And please hit that like button. That way YouTube will acknowledge that you interacted with this video in some manner. And your library of like videos will grow too, and that's a win-win. Alright, see you guys next time.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.